Today I have a very cool lock for you guys. It's a outdoor outlet with the Abloy Classic lock. I mean, I get why someone will put a lock on a outlet. There is some industrial complexes that they need it, but it's a very interesting, very unusual for me. This one, as you can see, they have IP44 rated, and I don't know, something on this side, some numbers. It's a plastic one. And I have with this key, I got this one. Probably it's, I don't know, it's probably made 2011, but I'm not sure. This is like the thing you will get with the keys, so you can order new keys or more keys if you need. But yeah, here's the key. I think it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 disc lock. 7 or 6, I'm not sure. Usually there are not 6, there are 7, and this is working very nice. You unlock it, and then you have this plastic locking part, and this is a Schuko European style one. And yeah, I mean, there are these grooves here that are catching this part, so you can even, and this is these are spring loaded, so when you close it, let's try to, probably I need to do it something like, oh, can I do it? No, I need to probably lock it, and then, or I messed something up. Now I can remove the key. So I think if you lock it, I don't know why I was unable to do it, so let's see if it's in this kind, then you can press it, yeah, and this can be operated like that also. So let's start picking this one. It's a 7 disc lock. I'm not expecting a big fight. As usual, I rotated all the discs clockwise, and then we'll use my custom made Abloy pick. So as usual, the last disc is the tension one. So yeah, let's start. This is, let me readjust a bit. Hopefully you can see. And tensioning the last one. This is moving, it's slippery, so I don't know if it's moving for me, and probably I will put something rubberized. So as usual, 1-0, 2-0, I will try to put all the disc in a gate. Doesn't matter if it's a true or false gate. Usually these new Abloys, they have, even the old ones, they have false gates. I'm on the 5, small click, and I think 6. Come on, no, let me go back up. Let me start again. I think I counted wrongly. Should have 6 discs. Should. I'm not sure. I think it's possible to disassemble this one. So 4, 5, stuck, 6. Yeah, 6 motor on the core on the 6. I think 6 was binding previously. 1-0, 2-0, 3. Come on. Come on. 3. It feels fine. 4 feels fine. 5. It's binding. Click from 5. Small turn on the core. 6 is binding again. And we're open. It's pretty, yeah, I would say it was a pretty easy pick, to be honest. I felt a couple of false gates, I think, but it was like 1 or 2. That's usually strange. So let me see. Yeah, we can disassemble this one. So this was a surprise for me. A lot of master pinning. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 discs. Only first and the last one, they're not master pinned, or no, even the sixth one is not master pinned. Everything else is master pinned. So that's why I did not felt a lot of false gates. So let me show you. It's like, this is a master pin. It's a very strange one. It's not curved. Maybe this is a big false gate. Oh, I'm not sure. I have not seen that kind of a groove. I can see this kind of a two grooves for the master pin, and I was expecting this one, but this is a bit strange, odd. But yeah, maybe we can see when I assemble this one is if the bar will interact or not with that one. And here's a similar thing to this one. So maybe this is, yeah, it's strange. I don't know. The disc went flying. I need to check. I have not seen it as far. I mean, I don't remember. Yeah, it's something new for me always. So that's why it felt like no false gates. Here how usually false gates look like. So this is the false gate, and this is the true gate. So yeah, and this is the smaller core. Come on, focus. And here's the bar, the locking bar. So yeah, this was something new, something interesting for me. Outdoor socket with an Abloy Classic lock, pick and got it. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.